this very wig that I have on right now. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I installed it, and this is my very first install on myself. I have tried it on different people. I'm not an install person. Yes, I make wigs, but I'm not an install person. I have never really installed a wig on myself. I wear my wigs glueless. So just stay tuned. I'm not going to be talking in this video. My boyfriend was talking to me most of the time while I was recording, so it's going to be pretty much a voiceover. I did make some mistakes during the process. Don't worry, I will leave all of those mistakes in this video because it was my very first time. I make wigs, why not learn how to install them? So stay tuned for my very first install. It looks really good. My part's a little crooked, but it looks really good for first time. It's a 5x5 closure, so I don't have any frontal space on the side. It's all wig past this point. And it is an old wig. It's a wig that I've had since June 2020. So like I just put a new closure on it and went with it. Just stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm very excited for you to see. And if you have any advice for me as a new upcoming hairstylist with doing wigs and everything, leave it in the comments. I am not afraid of criticism. I am not afraid of any advice that you guys have for me. I'm looking forward to it, honestly. So guys, this is my canvas. This is what I'm starting out with. Yes, my natural hair is very curly. All I'm gonna do is braid this down and I'll be right back. So here is my throw together braid down. No, I am not a braider, but you just gotta make that wig flat. I'm using Got To Be Ultra Styling Glue. It's a gel, it's a styling gel, I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna slick those edges back because you don't want glue or any product on those edges. You don't want to mess up those edges. I barely have any. It's been like that since I was little, but that's a long story. And here's the wig. Yes, this is what it looked like before I put it on. I had just washed it and put that brand new closure on there. I had to bleach the knots and everything. It is a HD 5x5 closure. This wig is available on my website to purchase. I've had it on there for 2 years and it is our best seller. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on the mannequin head, get that part how I like it, and then I'll get started with the install. So let's get this install started. I went ahead and sped up the process because I'm sure you guys have seen 1,000,001 installs. So I just want to show you guys my little first time doing it. I mean, I've made mistakes, which you're gonna see in the next clip. I made a lot of mistakes, but it's fine. I mean, I really wanted to give it a try because I'm used to being a glueless person. I got tired of being a glueless girl, so I wanted something that was gonna stay for a while, and I really like the look of installed wigs. So here I go. Just go ahead and watch, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any concerns. I mean, I'm very interested. So go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I mean, I'm really excited because it came out so good. Y'all don't understand. Like, I can add this as a service if I keep practicing this on myself. So go ahead and hit that like button for me to encourage me to do some more videos like this or upload some more shorts or anything you guys want to see. Just leave a comment in the section below. I'll go ahead and put all the tools and products I use in the description below, along with my website and the wig that I'm wearing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned to see the final result. So this is my final result. What do you guys think? I mean, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I know you saw the hiccups that I made. I had a little extra stocking cap on the side. I used got to be when I wasn't supposed to. My entire stocking cap came off. But it looks pretty laid to me and I love it. It looks really good in the sun too. I wore it to school the next day and everyone loved it. I mean, I think I did pretty good for the first time. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. It's the wig for me. Y'all see the lace? Can y'all see the lace? I don't see the lace. Can y'all see the lace? I don't see the lace. I don't see the lace.